Hey guys, welcome back. We have a lovely summer day, so we thought we would grill some pork neck with some vegetables on skewers. So stay tuned. We season the meat very basic with some freshly ground black pepper and salt. We put the meat on the grill and we cut the vegetables in big chunks. We will grill some corn, white onions, zucchini, some bell peppers and a few tomatoes. We stack them on the skewers and we grill them on all sides. We season them only with salt, but if you want you can use any seasoning you like. This is a basic but delicious recipe that we love to make when we want to enjoy nature. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.